kata malipasine inwa jarun naka Kristo Yesu itungaluko Uganda kesisi niko kita Aisisiaun Aitim ngulwe bucha sia kwenye kech.
So we should have the courage to say, forgive me when you say something wrong. We should have the courage to kneel down and say, please forgive me because that's what I've done. I take responsibility for my action. You see?
Mosingo Matthew Odong Evika General Tuliko Gulu Archdiocese Ngeseli Piebe Opeda Bila Kinike Awenyi Dolo Aitemonokina Atiokishonu Leme Grosi Kotupetatu Anereke Karaira Ban Jacob Olanyam Itolosiali Pasine Akelesia Nako Atanga Christ the King Catholic Copader Lo Apollon Matthew Odong Ngesia Bala Otupati Tunga Anyatake Atubon Eti Awenyi Dolo Alimuningesi Nuakaulo Egeres Johnson Nyeko Alemun Abola Aigangia Dukio na Kelesia na Tanga na Yangari Itunga Ilkumtakwatara Iraz.
Father, the Son and the Holy Spirit, we begin this foundation. What the Chief Justice is telling us is to take responsibility for our own action. By the way, I know Chief Justice Alfonso Windolo very well, because we studied together in the primary. He's a very honest man, very sincere, and always he talks the truth and nothing else but the truth. And we are so blessed as the people of Uganda to have him as the Chief Justice of Uganda. He calls a spade a spade. You know, he's black and white. That is how we should understand our Chief Justice. And condemning the action that was done by a group which claimed to be Ugandans in the
Idulo kinali monokini apati Ikristayon olepunos aisumun agangata keche kanwa dukuna akelesia na emudari sirigini ebilion te diopes chunyaki kanyape.
Article achiel wiye arapet idwan ichente kuwenchenta alu tutwan pawer kina anatiye okikiyo.
This church is going to be sponsored by one Johnson, which you have heard from him. So the ground right now has been broken, and the foundation is going to be dug from tomorrow. That means the commencement of the building is going to begin tomorrow.
I think it depends on how the materials, Uganda now how the prices are going. The block of cement before was about 28, now it's coming to 40. That means when it goes up again, it may delay our work, because you see our BOQ was mentioned before. But then now the prices are going much higher.
Jesus never told even the disciples, not even written anywhere in the Bible, that people or somebody should love him with all his heart. Instead, he said, love your neighbor as you love yourselves. That is why even in the Bible, he talked about someone visited in the hospital. If you visit someone in the hospital, it is like you have visited me. If you visit somebody in the prison, it's like you have visited me. So Jesus actually rounded up all the commandments in one thing, which is love. So when we talk about forgiveness, forgiveness is part of us.
Odong ngesi ingai kanu aipuchu ajauna aparashan wike tutolites ne nuiboron. Delax Emi Alamu, Joseph Omagor, TV is Pader.